12-step plan to integrate AI automation in your small business. Welcome, fellow entrepreneurs, to our comprehensive 12-step plan for implementing AI automation strategies tailored specifically for small businesses. In today's fast-paced digital age, the transformative power of artificial intelligence, or AI, is reshaping the landscape of business operations. But how can your small business tap into this cutting-edge technology and leverage it to propel growth and success? Join us as we delve into a detailed, step-by-step guide on seamlessly integrating AI automation into your daily operations. Phase 1. Assessment and Planning. Step 1. Comprehensive Business Needs Assessment. Begin by conducting a comprehensive assessment of your current operations. Look for bottlenecks, repetitive tasks, and areas that require predictive analytics. Understanding the specific needs and challenges of your business allows for a targeted approach in selecting AI solutions. Step 2. Establishing clear goals and objectives. Set specific and realistic objectives for AI automation that align with your organization's requirements and resources. Clearly define the desired outcomes and performance metrics to ensure the goals are achievable. Align the goals with the overall business strategy to maximize the impact of AI automation. Regularly assess and adjust the goals based on feedback and changing needs to maintain relevance and effectiveness. Consider objectives that offer tangible benefits, such as boosting operational efficiency, enhancing customer experiences, or creating new revenue streams. Align these goals with your strategic vision to ensure they contribute meaningfully to your business's growth. Step 3. Diligent research and selection of AI solutions. Explore available AI technologies in detail. Gain a comprehensive understanding of both their potential and their limitations. Consider factors like scalability, integration ease, and ongoing support. Choosing the right tools is important for achieving desired outcomes without unnecessary complexity or cost. Phase 2. Implementation. Step 4. Structured pilot program. Start your AI process with a focused pilot program. Select a single process or product line to test. This approach helps you measure effectiveness, gather insights, and make necessary adjustments with low risk. Pilot programs are important for proving concepts and building confidence in AI solutions. Step 5. Strategic phased rollout. Following a successful pilot, adopt a strategic phased rollout plan. Prioritize areas with the highest potential impact or quickest wins to maintain momentum and demonstrate value. This careful, methodical expansion ensures smooth integration and widespread buy-in across your organization. Step 6. Comprehensive employee training and support. To succeed with AI, your team needs to have skills in using new tools. Invest in training programs that cover both technical skills and an understanding of how AI can improve their roles. Continuous support and open channels for feedback are essential for overcoming hurdles and ensuring a smooth transition. Phase 3. Monitoring and optimization. Step 7. Advanced performance monitoring. Advanced monitoring systems play a crucial role in tracking the performance of AI initiatives. In addition to comparing progress against predefined objectives, they also provide valuable insights into project effectiveness. By identifying areas for improvement, these systems contribute to more successful outcomes. Regular analysis of these metrics enables you to identify successes and areas requiring adjustment. This data-driven approach ensures that your AI strategy remains aligned with your business goals. Step 8. Culture of continuous improvement. Embrace a culture of continuous improvement. Encourage teams to regularly review their use of AI tools and seek opportunities for enhancement. This iterative process not only optimizes performance but also fosters innovation, keeping your business at the forefront. Step 9. Promoting employee engagement and feedback. Empower your employees by making them active participants in the AI journey. Create platforms for sharing experiences and suggestions. Valuing their input not only enhances system improvements but also builds a sense of ownership and enthusiasm for AI technologies. Phase 4. Scaling and expansion. Step 10. Identifying new opportunities for AI automation. As your business grows, it's important to keep exploring new ways to integrate AI technology. Continuously look for chances to use AI to stay ahead and make the most of its impact on your operations. To maintain your success and continue growing your business, it is important to embrace innovation and be open to new applications of AI. AI can help companies grow and gain a competitive edge by entering new markets, creating innovative products, and enhancing customer experiences. Step 11. Advancing with cutting-edge AI techniques. keep pace with technological advancements by exploring cutting-edge AI techniques. Embracing innovation through investing in innovative technologies is vital for staying competitive in a rapidly changing business landscape. By using these advancements, your company can improve efficiency, increase productivity, and establish a strong foundation for long-term success in the digital age. Step 12. Establishing a proactive AI adoption culture. Promote a culture that embraces and actively seeks out AI-driven technological advancements. Establishing an AI-first mindset among your teams encourages ongoing engagement with AI solutions, ensuring your business remains agile and forward-thinking. Best practices and potential pitfalls. Maximize AI automation benefits by following best practices like starting with small-scale implementations, involving stakeholders early, focusing on creating value instead of being fascinated by technology, maintaining data integrity, and upholding ethical standards. Avoid common mistakes such as overestimating your abilities, neglecting data security, and not striving for continuous improvement. By implementing AI in your small business, you embark on a thrilling expedition to unlock unparalleled efficiency and innovation. With this all-encompassing guide, you are now empowered to navigate the intricacies of AI automation with confidence. Embrace the future with enthusiasm and witness your business soar to new heights.